This is M5 iPad Pro and it's 13-inch Wi-Fi plus cellular. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's keep it aside. Let's turn it on. Till it turns on. Let's see what we have. We have a bit of paperwork here. These are the accessories and no stickers. Let's go ahead and set it up for the first time. Let's continue with the appearance. I like the small one. Oh, we have a pop-up over here on my iPhone. Oh, let's set it for my iPhone. So this is the way you can getting things ready. Set up for me. And enter the passcode on your phone. The passcode of the phone that needs to be entered on the iPad. Setting it up. It may take a while to activate the iPad. Since I'm using the iPad for the first time, so there's a new software update at 26.5. It needs to be updated first. We can update it later. Let's go ahead and update it later. So we need to set the Face ID for this iPad. Oh, this completes the Face ID. Now signing into my account. I don't need to transfer anything. Till it gets activated, let's talk about the design. The design is very sleek and slim. We have the volume buttons here and the power button. This is the main camera. Continue to make this as new iPad. Turn on location services. And this is done. Screen time, let's turn it on. Step into Apple Intelligence. I will be choosing all the notifications, summarize all notifications, and turning on the priority notifications. Let us set up the Siri. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Yeah, let us go for windowing and multitasking. Let's get started. This is my first experience with the iPad. And one more thing, that this is the cellular model. We can just transfer from any iPad, any other iPad, or from any iPhone. I will be transferring from my iPhone. So here you can transfer your eSIM from your iPhone to an iPad. If you have to an iPad, if you have an extra data plan on your iPhone through the carrier app. So this was iPad Pro M5 on 13-inch, and I hope you liked the video. And so thank you for watching, and stay tuned to see whether this sleek piece of technology can replace my Mac. Till then, bye bye.